Nick Cavalanci here with another MSP360 Tech Byte. Today we're talking about restore verification. At MSP360, we take data recovery very seriously. One main feature MSP360 offers in its backup and recovery solution is restore verification. The feature is designed to ensure the integrity and reliability of your backups. Let me walk you through how MSP360 handles some critical restore-related needs. The first is critical restores from backups themselves. MSP360's restore verification process involves regularly checking the integrity of backup data to confirm that it's recoverable. The MSP360 solution performs tests to ensure that when you need to restore your data, it will be readily available and usable. Next is an ability to verify image-based backups. MSP360 knows how important image-based backups are, so the system verifies their integrity by periodically mounting the backup images and checking for consistency and data integrity. This ensures that your entire system can be restored accurately. You can also perform a quick temporary VM restore. In cases where you have a system failure or maybe data loss, MSP360 can use the verified backup data to create a temporary virtual machine, ensuring business continuity while working on a permanent recovery solution. And lastly, you're able to receive notifications with screenshots. MSP360's restore verification can be configured to send notifications, even providing screenshots, to validate the integrity of the backup. These are sent to administrators or relevant personnel, giving a visual confirmation of successful restore and helping monitoring and addressing any issues quickly. Overall, the MSP360 restore verification feature is a proactive approach to ensuring the reliability of your backups. By regularly verifying your backups, they help you maintain confidence in your data recovery process, crucial for business continuity and disaster recovery. That minimizes the risk of data loss and provides timely alerts and information to act upon if any issues arise during the restoration process. If you'd like any more information on the restore verification feature, you can reach out to your account representative or contact sales@msp360.com.